Hey guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. So today we have another natural hair video. You guys seem to really love the first one, which was my everyday twist out routine, which I will link in the card somewhere. But I was like, you know what? I've never actually stepped out of my comfort zone with my natural hair. Yes, I've big chopped twice. Yes, I've had my head shaved and I've had it dyed green. So I guess I have stepped out just a little bit, but I've never actually tried to style my hair in some type of different way. And every time I'm messing with my fro and I pull it up like this, I'm like, oh my God, a mohawk would look so fierce. So I was like, let me try it out. And I wanted to do something a little bit more trendy with the braids to the front. You guys know that's really on trend right now. So this hairstyle gives me like a festival vibe type of situation. Yes, I know festival season is over, but I was like, I'm still feeling in the spirit. So I definitely wanted to create something fun. You guys, this was really easy to create. At first, I didn't know what I wanted to do. I kind of wanted to do like Bantu knots going straight back, but I decided just to let the mane free. Now, my hair was not fully dry when I took out my twist. You guys will see it in the video. So it is a little bit more poofy, but I actually don't mind it at all. I still think it is pretty cute. And I think this would be an easy style to refresh because I can just take a spray bottle with some water, spray the hair, you know, and twist it back up and I'll be good to go. So yeah guys, I really hope you like this video. Tell me what other styles I should try out and film for you guys. I really love the fact that I'm getting comfortable with experimenting with my hair for you guys on YouTube. Like, it is really, I don't know, it feels good just to see myself look a little bit different and not the same old hair routine every single day. So I'm just excited and motivated and inspired just to do crazy things to my hair. So I really want to know what styles you guys are loving so I can practice and show you guys how I did it. Before we begin with this tutorial portion of the video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell. Hello to all my new subbies. We hit 3,000 subscribers, guys. I didn't tell y'all that. We hit 3,000 subscribers and I'm so happy. So yeah guys, let's get started with the tutorial. Okay guys, so this is my fro. Yes, I know I have a lot of hair. So I'm starting off with blown out stretched hair, and what I'm going to do is take a rat tail comb and part directly in the center by my ear. I felt like this was a good starting point for this style. I wasn't really sure what exactly I wanted to do. I had an idea, but wasn't sure if I wanted to do bantu knots or curls and whatnot. This actually took me a really long time to do because I was just so indecisive, and I did like a bantu knot and I was like no, and I took it out and I didn't like it. So I was kind of all over the place with this video, but yes, you just want to start by parting in the center. And then I'm going to go ahead and section off the front of my hair so that way it's a little easier with sectioning off the back. My hair is like really fluffy and big, so all the hair just likes to come together and marry each other, and I feel like this is the reason why I have a little bit of breakage in between like my hair. Is just because it's like I'll try to grab one portion of a hair, but then this little piece over here wants to join and wants to be friends and family members and all that good stuff, so it's a little frustrating. So I just sectioned off the back of my hair, and now I'm going to take this rat tail comb and I'm going to do this small portion right here. I'm going to section this off because we're going to be doing that very trendy braided to the front style that you see all over Instagram. And I'm going to take my Soultanicals Marula Muru Moisture Guru, that is so hard to say, and I'm just going to rehydrate my hair. And then I'm going to take the Mielle Organics Edge Control Gel. I just combined those two words. Struggle is real. So I'm going to go ahead and put that at the roots of my hair, just kind of brush it through gently. And I'm going to take this Freetress Braid 101 pack of hair, just a small portion of it, and I'm going to start braiding. I guess that would be backwards technically. Well, braiding frontward. Yeah, I'm going to start braiding frontwards. Yeah, we're going to cornrow this out. I have never done this before, guys, so today was really an experimental day for me. It was me definitely trying to step out my comfort zone and do something I've never done before, so I'm really proud of the outcome. But if you guys are master braiders, I'm sure this style will be so easy for you to do and would look so much neater and clean and just spicy, all around spiciness. But mine was a little rough, but you know what? I'm actually not somebody who prefers super slick perfect hair. I like everything to be a little bit messy and kind of lived in. I just feel like it just looks best on me. So yeah. So you just want to go ahead and braid this all the way down, as far down as you want. Now this hair was really super long, like that braid would have just been way too obnoxious for me, so I did end up cutting it. But do it as long as you want, and you can accessorize this any way you want. You can do beads. I'm actually still sitting in the style right now, and I haven't quite decided how I want to accessorize it, but I guess we'll find out by the end of this video because I'm editing the first half right now. So we're just going to go ahead and do the second side, same exact steps, very repetitive. You guys already catch the drift of it all. Now from that center part, I'm going to be parting another section off diagonally, if you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. Now please don't take my facial expressions as if I'm being super rough for my hair. I'm actually being really gentle. I'm just very tender-headed. My head gets sore from the slightest touch, which is the reason why I prefer, you know, protective styling, because I don't have to touch my hair as much. I'm just always like super sore. My scalp is always sore. I don't know why. I should probably look into that. But yes, I'm not being rough at all. So I'm just portioning that section off. I took a little bit of that Mielle Organics edge control gel, and I sleeked down as much as I wanted to, not in too crazy. I think my hair's too thick to even get it super slick down. And I'm taking a rubber band. Don't kill me. You guys don't have to use rubber bands. If you have something else that is a little bit more gentle on the hair, please leave that down in the description box so I can purchase some. But I am going to put that in a little ponytail, and this is just going to be repeated throughout my entire head. So we're going to actually have 6 portions total, 3 at the front half and 3 at the back half. So right now I'm working on the second one. We're just parting it off. And yeah guys, so this is the 3 little ponytails. This is how it's looking. So we have our little mohawk, and at this point you can do whatever you want. You could do bantu knots, which was really my original idea, which I thought would be really cute, but then I was like, you know what, I don't know how to do that, so I'm not gonna do it. So I'm taking my Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed gel, and we are just going to be twisting it out. So for each ponytail I had about 3 to 5 medium-sized twists. So you just want to go ahead and take small portions and twist your hair. So I went ahead and took some perm rods and I curled up the bottom of my hair so that way it's just not like dangling in my face. And everything I did in the front, I pretty much did in the back, so you guys can kind of see what the mohawk is looking like. So we just want to let this dry. It should only take a few hours because my hair was already, you know, blown out and dry to begin with. It wasn't soaking wet. And this is what it looks like in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and dip these 2 front braids in some hot water just to loosen them up because they're a little bit stiff, and we'll be right back. Guys, and we are back about 6 hours later, and I just want to say my hair was not dry, so this was not a super defined style. It was definitely a lot of, you know, a lot more bigger than I expected, but I'm not mad at it. So it just probably won't last as long as I would like it to, but I can always retwist it. So I just went ahead and took the perm rods out, and I'm using a little bit of my favorite oil. This is the Mielle Organics Mint Almond Oil. You guys saw this in my twist out video, and I'm just untwisting these twists. I'm not being too careful at this point because I'm just like, okay, it's gonna be a little big. I already know, so it is what it is. And I did have a little bit of flaking, guys. I think that was from the gel. But I actually still like the way the style came out, so I'm not going to rule this out as a fail. But I know for the next time, I know exactly what to do to improve this. So we're going to go ahead and style these little braids. I took these little silver little hair accessories, and I just put them on the braid, just going all the way down. About 5 of them each braid. Normally I am more of a gold girl, but I didn't have any gold, but I thought silver would be cute. And that is it, guys. So that is the style for this natural hair mohawk. It's a little bit more trendy with the braids, which I think is fun. This is definitely like a festival vibe. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share with a friend. Hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Let me know what natural styles I should try next, because I'm really experimenting. Thanks to you guys. I'll see you in the next one.